So I just walk over here, open the tailgate, and my STIHL HT131 fell apart right through here. This failed. Before, this failed. I'm taking this thing back, man. This is a piece of junk. It's brand new. It's now falling apart in 2 spots, and it leaks bar oil constantly. I did not pay $740 or whatever for this thing to be such a piece of junk. Definitely taking it back. Gotta be something wrong with like the manufacturing process, because this is terrible. Let's see if we can get this thing back together without breaking it even more than it already is. What a disappointment. I've had nothing but good luck with STIHL products until this thing. What a piece of junk. Like this little green X right here. This is not supposed to be, this gap's not supposed to be here. So I'm wondering if I just got screwed over at the dealer or what. I don't know what's going on. But this thing has been nothing but trouble. It's just unbelievable for something that costs this much money to fall apart so easily. Super disappointed in STIHL. At this cost point, this should never happen. Never. I don't even care if it's 10 years down the road. Something that costs $700 or more should not fall apart. Unbelievable. Well, after the disaster that is this pole chainsaw, calling it a day. But I got some okay wood, and still need to clean all this crap up. Maybe I'll do that tomorrow. Have I mentioned how much I love this tractor and big tool rack combo? Man, couldn't be more convenient, honestly. Holds a ton of stuff. Well built. I like it a lot.